Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we make a portable extension board. We need some basic component like basic 5 volt 2 ampere charger, one audio kit with Bluetooth connectivity, one female USB kit, one audio amplifier kit, and two mobile charger with one 6 volt 2 ampere and one 5 volt 2 ampere. First we making circuit with connecting component. The 6 volt charger connecting with female USB kit, positive wire into positive connection and negative into negative with the help of soldering iron. Then we connect the main wire in the charger. After this, we connect the charger with audio kit and amplifier kit. Now the wire are connected with audio kit and the charger. Now we connecting both chargers main high voltage wire connecting with each other. All of the wires are now connected and the circuit of extension board are now ready. Now I tape all of the wire between audio kit and amplifier. Now we need a plastic box for assemble the circuit on it. I am using old fertilizer box. You can also use another type of plastic box. This is a fertilizer plastic box and I used for making circuit. The holes are also made by me. This is for audio kit and this hole for speaker. This is for wire plug. This for female USB connector. This hole for mini slide switch. This is two female USB connector, 5 volt and 15 volt 2 ampere. This is push switch, this is volume controller. After completing the circuit, we assemble it in the box. You can see the circuit is fixed with the help of screw in the bottom. This is a wire connector. Connect the wire into the main circuit board, and this is red push switch. Disconnect and continue the circuit to the main charger and audio kit circuit. This is volume controller button. This is tap switch. Connect with this plug, and this is regularly plug. And there is main USB female USB connector, 6 volt 2 ampere. This is also a 5 volt 2 ampere female USB connector. This is 15 volt 2 ampere female USB connector, and joint with all the charger in the series connection. And this is the mini slide switch. Connect audio kit and charger. There are many functions in this extension board, so we can call this smart extension board. You can amplify and play the song by the speaker. In this video, I can also provide a circuit chart and explain all the circuit connection, so continue play the video. Now it is time to check all the functions. I plug the main wire of this extension board. You can see the circuit is on, and this is the push switch. By pressing this push switch, the light is turning off and all the connections are turned off. First I unplug the charger, and this is the tap switch. I turn on this switch and check the motor turning on. This plug is working very good. This plug is also working very good. This is 5 volt 2 ampere motor, and I will check the female USB connectors. First I put it into 6 volt 2 ampere charger. You can see the motor turning on, and I also plug in this other female USB connector. The working female USB is very good. You can see the 5 volt 2 ampere female USB connector working well done, and this is the powerful 15 volt 2 ampere female USB connector working well done. But this cushion switch, it is turning off. You can see all of the circuit turning on, off, and by pushing, this is turning on. After this, I am checking audio fit and the sound of the amplifier. I am turning on the fit.
For watching more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.